Hey there, my name is Bonita Saldana, and I'm the head coach for Breaking for Gold USA. Today, I want to talk to you about breakdancing, better known as breaking, and why it's important for every dancer to learn. As dancers, we're always looking for ways to improve our skills and express ourselves more creatively, and that's where breaking comes in. Breaking is not just a dance style, it's a way of life. It teaches you discipline, control, and creativity. It challenges you to push yourself to new limits and express yourself in unique ways. And that's why I'm excited to introduce you to Levels, the app that teaches breaking. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced dancer, Levels has everything you need to learn and master breaking. With Levels, you can learn from the best breakers in the world at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can track your progress, compete with other dancers, and even connect with a community of fellow breakers. So, what are you waiting for? Download Levels today and start your journey to becoming a better, more creative dancer. Visit our website for more information and get started now. dancelevels.app.